Hello everyone. I will show you today how to increase. Okay, here is my sample and I will show you how to increase on the right side and on the left side. Okay, so we need, for the sample, we need the first and the second one, and after you will see between the two stitches there is a thread between. So with your left needle you will take it like that from front to back, okay, and this one you will knit here. Put your needle in the back loop, okay, like that. So you will reverse the stitch like that, and we continue. Okay, I will show you once again. Here the thread between the two stitches, you use your left needle from the front to the back like that, and you will knit the back loop of the stitch you have there like that. You see, not easy, but with the camera between me and my work, I will show you once again. Here the thread between the yarn between the two stitches, with your left needle you will take it like that, and you will knit the back loop. Okay, now it's the right one. You will have a left increase. Okay, and how to do that? It's the opposite way. So the thread again between the two stitches, and you will take it from the back to the front, and you will knit here in the front loop. Oops, sorry, in the front loop. Again, the left. The thread between the two stitches here. Okay, with the left needle you go from the back to the front, and you will knit or insert your needle in the front loop of the stitch you create like that. Left again, we take it from back to the front, and I will knit in the front loop of the stitch we are doing. Okay, oops, sorry, I didn't take the loop correctly. Come. I did a lot of increase, so my work is not very easy to do. Here, and the one here between, but your left needle goes from the back to the front, and you will knit the first leg of the loop, if I can see that. Oop. But in the pattern they will tell you knit two and make one right or make one left. Here is just a sample, so I just show you how to. And for the pearl row, you don't do anything, just you purl. Okay? There we do my. No. Nothing else to do. So I will be back for the decrease, left and right too. Okay? So I will interrupt the camera now, finishing my row, and I am coming back very soon. So I'm back, and now I will show you the decrease right and left. Okay, first, it's not very difficult. Knit one, and I need to have a stitch that will turn to the left. Okay, because I will decrease like that. On the left, it will be something going to the right, like that. Okay? So, what I will do, I will slip the stitch here, knit the other one, and pass the slip stitch above the knit stitch. Okay? Very easy. We try again. Okay, slip the next stitch, knit the other one, and pass the slip stitch above the knit stitch. So as you see, my thread here is going on the left. Once again, slip one, knit one, and pass the slip one above the knit one. Okay. Now I would like to have a decrease to the right. Okay, it's very simple. I will just knit two stitches together like that. You can see it is going to the right. Okay, once again, now two together to go to the right side. Now we show you the result, because I have a sample that I completed. Here, okay, that's what you will have. You see there, it's a decrease going to the right, and here it's a decrease going to the left. So you see the difference. That's why there is two different stitches. However, if in the pattern you don't have specification right or left, you will do the one that you like to do. It's not important. Sometimes it's just decrease one or make one. You choose the way you prefer. Okay, now I will. For the purl stitch, it's not a problem. No special problem. You just purl it. Okay. Knit one for the edge. So I will continue to purl, and I will be back very soon. Okay. So we learned the knit stitch, the purl stitch, the stockinette stitch, the different patterns we can make with only two stitches, knit and purl, and now decrease for today. Now I think that it's time to teach you how to cast off. For casting off, it exists a lot of way. I will show you the simple. I think it's a simple way. I don't use it a lot because I use a needle, but it's for another chapter, another episode. No, so I knit the first one. I will show you. I knit the first one like that. I knit the second one like that, and you pass the first one above the second one. Don't pull. Like that. You see? So the first one, the slip one, going above the knitting one. Not the slip one, the first knitted. Sorry. I mix everything. I'm tired. Like that. First one above the second one. Another one. First one above the second one. The knitting one. Knit one. Like that. Yep. Voilà. You see? So now you can do a lot. You are ready. Look, I will show you. That's what you must have. And you see? A very neat edge, I can say. Okay? Okay? And it looks like that on my little sample. Look. So, cast off. You know, also cast on, cast off. No, now you are ready to go with what you know. You can do something now, and normally next time I will present you a pattern. It will be a beanie pattern, beanie headboard pattern. But I will show you. Okay. So it's finished for now. Thanks for your attention. Thank you very much, and see you very soon. Bye bye.